Hi, I'm Craig, site foreman for Midland Conservation, working here at Tamworth Castle. We've had conveyor belts in here to help us getting materials up and getting the debris down. It's just been a fantastic, tremendous help to us. If not, we'd have been carrying everything up and down these stairs, so no, it's been tremendous help.
Midland Conservation contacted us after being contracted to renovate the eroded stonework in the Tamworth Castle walls. As the castle stands on a steeply inclined mound, the transport of the new stone up and the old stone down was given a lot of consideration. Coveya was able to provide the ideal solution with a specially modified GP750 conveyor to assist with moving the heavy stone up and down the mound on a higher basis. The GP750's high-performance system and robust design make it the first choice for construction sites across the UK. Its wide belt and 5.5 kilowatt heavy-duty motor enable it to maintain a throughput of up to 300 tonnes per hour.
I'd recommend this conveyor to anybody doing this sort of work. It's just took most of the work out of it, all the effort's gone.
Contact us today to learn more about our conveyor solutions and how they might assist your business. Thank you.